Does cooking with wood make a huge difference? Stick around and watch this video and see how this pizza was made. What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. As you can tell by the title of this video and right here in front of me, I have some wood laid out. Sorry about the audio, it was super windy, so of course you're going to get some voiceover. But here in front of me, I got some wood. I'm going to tag the company down below, the wood that I got. I'm going to show you guys how I set up my oven using wood. Here in front of me, you can see that I have some wood splints. That's what you want to start off by using whenever you get the fire going. So I have it at 3 layers, basically kind of just like a tic-tac-toe. Right underneath, I have a fire starter. So if you don't have a fire starter, that's totally fine. You could just go ahead and use cardboard, paper, anything to start the fire. Now at this point, we're going to basically just be pushing in. You could use what I have here, a peel, or you could be using your hands, whatever. Basically, just pushing it in towards the middle, and then we're going to go ahead and get this lit up. And again, with this fire starter, again, it's just going to ignite it pretty quick. The wood's going to catch. You could also make like a teepee of some sort. But again, just from watching videos or just learning from other people, I found that this is the easiest way to get that going. So yeah, we're just going to go ahead and let this going. You want to get all the wood caught on fire, and we're going to go ahead and just do that. So just kind of just stick around and watch how that happens, and then we'll come back here in a bit. Once it's all lit, we got some other bigger pieces of wood that you're also going to put on to start catching it. But this is what you're doing. You're building the fire. You want to get it hot enough so that way you can go ahead and start making your pizza. So let's go ahead and just stick around. So now, as you can see here, I've put in a pretty big piece of wood. Now we're adding an extra couple pieces, and now we're just wanting to get this really hot. You want to get it super, super hot, anywhere between 850, 432 Celsius. But we're just building it high. Again, we're sticking in the middle. We're getting that flame hot. As you can see now, I have plenty of wood in here. The flame is going. It's really hot. So here shortly, we're going to go ahead and push everything to the right. This is the Gozney dome, so you're able to cook wood on the right-hand side. So let's go ahead and do that. And so again, you want to push everything to the side, and you can see the flame going over. And now at this point, I've let it sit for a while. It is, like I said, super windy, so we're just going to go ahead and get going to making a pizza. So we're just going to be making a simple pizza. A lot of people get upset when I say this is a pizza, but this is what is considered basically a white pizza. We got our dough here, 48-hour dough. I'll go ahead and link that up above. So if you go ahead and check out that recipe as well. But again, it's just going to be a simple pizza sauce, which is just basically olive oil. So we're going down with some Graza olive oil, doing some fresh cut mozzarella straight onto the pizza. And so comment down below, do you think this is a pizza or not a pizza? And so now at this point, what we're doing is we're just going to be adding a piece of wood onto the flame. Because again, we're making a Neapolitan-ish style pizza, so you want the flame to be super, super hot. You want it to be going over the pizza because again, it's a quick and fast pizza. So I've added this piece of wood, and now we're going to go ahead and we're going to go straight in with our pizza straight in there, and you're just going to watch this and let it cook. And again, just like any other pizza oven, you got your flame on your far right hand side. So again, you want to just be constantly spinning it as well. And comment down below, like this video, turn on the bell notification to be notified when I do make new videos. Let me know if you've experimented with cooking with wood. What's your thoughts on it? Can you tell a difference? Does it give more of a wood flavor? You know, who knows? But again, let me know. Drop a comment down below. And yeah, you can see that flame is just roaring with that wind. So definitely want to watch out with that. But you can see the pizza's cooking nice and evenly all the way around. We just got one little area here that needs to be finished. And just like that, this pizza is ready. So we're going to get inside onto the cooling rack. And here's the pizza that we cooked. As you can see, it's cooked all the way around, nice and crispy. Let's go and take a look at this bottom. Bottom is nice and cooked as well. So we're going to let it cool, and then we'll go ahead and get into a bite test. So now that the pizza is cooled down, let's go ahead and get into a bite test. Fortunately, I wish you could hear the crispiness of this pizza. But again, something about this wood does give it a little bit more crispy. Not change too much of the recipe that I normally do. This is roughly around 64-65% hydration. But again, it does give off some crispiness. So let's just take a look at this pizza. And let's get a bite into that as well. And that's tasting really good. Again, comment down below. Again, this is just a simple pizza. A lot of people would say that it's not a pizza, but what's your thoughts on that? Is it a pizza? But again, pizza is nice, tasting really good, nice crispy crust. And again, like I said, something about it just gives off a better flavor. So if this is something you guys like, comment down below. Check out my Instagram at the Pizza Guy John. Like this video. Check out my other videos on my channel, and we'll talk there.